Hey everyone, Matt's Mox here, and guess what? I finally made it to the promised land, the Bucksgahuda and Western. I'm gonna try to get as many videos as I can today, but I mean, it'll be a bit hard. The shay. Ow. At this point, we were given a short walking tour along the line, as you'll see in this next stop. No, we're the foamers. Oh. I'm gonna film them from this side. Yeah, let's get the best shot. No else. Oh, this is the money shot right here. Here's some spots along the sharp curve on the bottom loop, as it's called. This is one of the tightest points of the railroad, and as well the bridge, which our group did walk across, but it was done safely, and the former ballast cars that are sitting on the siding down here. As you know, I like Vulcans and Brookvilles, so here's a photo of the two. And also a shot looking down the hill. We were given permission to walk around by staff with staff. This short stint, I did a bit of a photo session with the two guys. Matt, of course, was taking photos, and it was just as if, a passenger back in the 20s was waiting for a train at the station there. It was indeed raining, so that's why I had the umbrella, but it made it look more fun. We did walk down the Y, so here's looking towards the switch at the end of the Y, and then this is the end of the track at the Y. They don't really run down here, but it is here. So here is the gallows turntable at the end of the line. Me and Nick spun it. I'd like to thank everyone over at the Bucksgahuda and Western for giving us a fun time, and I hope you enjoyed.